Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLS. The Mercedes-Benz GLS is a 7-passenger luxury SUV, which possesses all the strength, versatility, safety, elegance, cutting-edge technology, sleek sophistication, and amenities that you've come to expect from a Mercedes. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, premium wheels, electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, panorama sunroof. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.